Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So if you're a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra user, so there's a good news for you that now the One UI8 beta version is available for you. Previously, the One UI8 beta version was only limited to the Samsung Galaxy S25 users. Now the One UI beta version is expanding on more devices. Recently, in the Samsung newsroom, they announced that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be getting the One UI7 beta version in the next week, and now it is live. But keep in mind that it is only limited to these countries, while the other countries will have to wait for the official release. And the Galaxy S23 series and some Z and the A series will also get the beta version in the month of September, while the S25 series will be getting the One UI8 official release. Now if we talk about that how you can update your Galaxy S24 Ultra on the One UI8 beta version, so for that you will have to install the application named as Samsung Members app. And after installing the Samsung Members app, you will have to simply open it. And after opening the Samsung Members application, you will get to see a One UI8 beta version banner over here, or you might have to scroll down and get a One UI8 program over here. But for that, you will have to make sure that your country is eligible for the One UI8 beta. There is no One UI8 beta version available in my location, so sadly I won't be able to update my device on the One UI8 beta version. One UI8 will bring in some new changes, like this new weather app will be introduced with the One UI8 with some smoother animations and some more enhancements of the One UI7. In short, you can say that the One UI8 will be the enhanced version of the One UI7 update, along with the Android 16 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about that the One UI8 beta version is now out for the Galaxy S24 users. If you're eligible to update your device on the One UI8 beta version, so let me know in the comment section that what new features are you enjoying and are there any bugs.